Several months had passed since Dora, Leo, and Pisaka's successful awareness campaign about environmental protection. They gathered at Dora's house, their hearts full of pride and a sense of accomplishment. "We've done a lot, but there's so much more to do," Dora said, her eyes bright with determination. Leo, always the adventurous one, suggested, "How about we explore the forest more deeply this time? We could learn about rare species of plants and animals." The idea excited them, and they began discussing the preparations needed for such a journey. The trio decided to head to the local library to research rare species that might inhabit their forest. Buried in books and old records, they came across a mention of an endangered species rumored to live deep within the forest. This discovery thrilled them, and they decided to seek advice from Mr. Ali, the local environmental expert. Mr. Ali emphasized how significant it would be to find and document this rare species, as it could spearhead efforts to protect the forest. Equipped with a detailed map, magnifying glass, camera, and other essentials, the friends prepared for their expedition. They reminded themselves to be cautious, as they would be venturing into uncharted parts of the forest. As dawn broke, they set out with a mix of excitement and nerves. Walking into the unknown always stirred emotions, but they were determined. The forest seemed denser and more mysterious as they moved deeper. Hours passed, and they found themselves in a part of the forest where the trees were older and larger. Everything was quieter, adding to the place's eerie charm. Suddenly, Leo noticed animal tracks on the ground. "Do you think these belong to the rare creature?" Dora asked. "Let's hope so. We should follow them," said Leo. They traced the tracks cautiously but soon encountered a deep river. Pisaka spotted a natural bridge formed by intertwined tree trunks, and they gingerly crossed it. On the other side, they found an area with strange, unfamiliar plants. Dora collected small samples to examine later. As evening approached, they could sense they were close to the rare creature's habitat. They set up a small camp for the night, planning to proceed at first light. The night was filled with strange sounds echoing from deeper parts of the forest, which Leo suggested might be from the creature they were searching for, elevating their excitement and fear. Early the next morning, they resumed their trek, following the sounds that seemed to guide them. Their anticipation peaked when they discovered large footprints and fur caught on tree branches. Pisaka managed to snap a blurry photo of something darting between the trees. They were close. Their search led them to a small cave surrounded by unusual plants. They felt certain the creature was hiding there. Cautiously, they entered the cave and found a large nest made of branches and leaves. Inside, the rare creature with thick fur and glowing eyes watched them cautiously. The friends decided not to disturb it and documented their findings meticulously, clicking photos and making notes about its behavior and habitat.